gonna start my video. 3607 Olinda Way, Fort Myers, Florida. There's my street sign, 3607. This is the front entry. We also have a rear entry, which is going to be the very end of the video. There's our patio furniture. Couple end tables, little wicker, nice ceiling fan, keyless entry system, doorbell. Don't need any keys around here. Oh, let's see, where should I start? Nice big ceiling fan, flat screen TV. You've got love chair with recliners on both sides, sofa, recliners on both sides. Great big swivel rocker. Does it swivel? No, it's just a rocker. Rocker recliner. Little reading lamp. This door here heads down to the garage. We may as well stay on ground level for a second. So here's, you go down into the garage, and then there's a courtyard out back. This is about a car and a half garage. Plenty of room for bicycles, garbage cans, ladder. Heading outside to the courtyard here, you got a nice swimming pool that's shared by the quad and a barbecue area. Pretty good sized swimming pool. I'm not going to walk over there, but maybe you can make it out, maybe you can't. If nothing else, you can look at my pictures. There's people over there swimming. So it's nicely landscaped. Our house is this 3-story straight ahead. So heading on back in, we'll go back up. This is the rear entry. Again, it's all keyless entry. Got your slaggy. Lots of storage in the coffee table. Lots of storage in the entertainment center. And of course we got a surround sound and a sound bar. Heading up here, you got a nice table. Got seating for about 10 people. There's a bench with storage underneath. Nicely decorated. Granite countertops. Stainless appliances. We kind of stuck with the stainless trim here. Soft closing doors. Got a pantry off the kitchen. Nice pantry. Powder room. The table does move, so if you want to play games or whatever, it's pub height, and you can steal my 4 stools and play games or cards if you don't want to use the dining room table. Anyhow, we'll head upstairs. It's a 2-bedroom up here. The laundry room's up here. This place was built in 14 and it's only had one owner besides me. There's a desk where you could have your printer. That's where I got the router parked for now. We got cable and internet. This is the guest bedroom. You got 2 full-size beds here. Nice end table. Walk-in closet. Hunter ceiling fan. And their own bathroom. Your guests would be quite comfortable here. Nice shower, tub. You want to see in the closet? Ta-da! Well, it's not quite a walk-in, but it's close. You can hide in there. Okay, so we've seen the laundry area and the desk. This is the master suite, and it does have 2 walk-in closets. You've got walk-in closet number 1 and shelving. You've got walk-in closet number 2 and a shelving unit. Got a king bed, 2 end tables and lamps. There's charging stations on both end tables. There's the USB charging station. Nice master bath. It's a shower, a big shower. Dual sink. Nice big glass walk-in shower. Got a teak shower stool. And last but not least, you got the commode with the pocket door for privacy. So that pretty well sums her up. We'll go ahead and head back down. I'll show you the view out the window if you want to see. There's your courtyard and your swimming pool. Barbecue area is the closest part, and the swimming pool's off to the side. I forgot to look out the other window, so here we go. We'll go look out the front window before we go down. Got a little lake off to the right. This faces south. There's my pickup truck. And that's my porch down below. Guest bathroom. Down the stairs we go. Then I gotta shut off the lights. Then I gotta go. Got places to go, people to see. Back to the kitchen, you can see it's well equipped. You got a coffee maker, convection microwave, 4-slice bagel toaster, paper towels, telephone, single lever faucet, pull-out sprayer, dishwasher, nice big 30-inch G range. Plenty of utensils. There's dishes, coffee cups, and silverware. Here's another view of the courtyard. You can see the swimming pool a little bit better here. There's a couple people swimming out there. That's what I should be doing right now instead of taking this video. Anyhow, there's the pub table, powder room, dining room. Got storage on both ends of the dining room, storage under that bench. Nice big living area. I think that was a 60-inch TV, but it might be a 50. At any rate, it's plenty. Then if you want to enjoy the Florida weather out on your front porch, Crystal found all this good furniture for us. And that's the end of my tour. See you next time.